What's up guys, welcome back to today's video, which is another installment in DIY, do-it-yourself, at-home face mask and skincare. All week long we've been talking about face masks and skincare that you can make at home in your own kitchen. Whether this is the first video you've seen in this series, I'll have the entire playlist linked down below so you don't miss a single DIY skincare secret. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe down below and that little bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back. Let's dive right into today's video, another DIY face mask. Alright guys, I am most excited for today's video only because I think it's going to be the most fun and I've never done anything like this. Today's DIY face mask is a banana face mask. Yeah, banana. We're going to mush a banana up and put it all over my face. So this face mask is so simple. All we need is a little banana. Ooh, I should slow motion peel this banana. Are you ready? Alright, so we're just going to take a big chunk of this banana. I'm going to put it right in this glass. Next, we're going to take a little bit of honey and just drizzle it right in here, just about a tablespoon or so. Alright, now's the fun part. Now we just mush it all together. You just want to go ahead and get this a nice creamy texture because we're going to apply this all over the skin. So once you've gone ahead and mixed up your banana and honey face mask, ooh, it feels so cold and slimy. You can go ahead and start to apply it all over the skin. Ah! Oh, I just dropped off some banana. Fell right on my leg. You know what? I'm just going to use my fingers. This is tragic. It's slipping right off my face. Banana is packed full of vitamin C and antioxidants and vitamins. It's really going to prevent those signs of aging, as well as reduce inflammation. Now, the most popular use for banana in skincare is for lightening, brightening, and whitening. They say that banana can help lighten dark spots and dark pigmentation, giving you whiter, brighter, more youthful skin. Banana is also said to boost collagen production as well, really giving you a youthful and full face. Now, we did add a little bit of honey to this mask, so that's also going to provide that deep, long-lasting hydration. It's really going to plump up the skin, moisturize the skin, great for acne, pimples, getting rid of all of those zits. Honey is another natural skin lightener that's going to help get rid of dark spots as well. This banana and honey combination is so powerful for brightening and lightening, so at the end of this, we should really have bright skin. Now, I will say it's starting to tingle, almost burn a little bit, but maybe that's the brightening and lightening happening. I can't believe I have mushed up banana on my face. Alright, so I'm just going to let this honey and banana mask sit on my skin for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to give it a rinse off. I'll meet you guys right back here and I'll let you know what happened. Well, I've just been reading more articles about the banana and I've come across so many things that say it's great for UV protection. It says it can heal bug bites, heal psoriasis. It's a great pain reliever. It says you can put a banana right on a painful spot on your body and it will heal. Again, great at reducing wrinkles, curing pimples. Alright, so I left my banana face mask on for about 20 minutes. It was burning the entire time. That tingling sensation did not go away. And I have used honey and other face masks before and my face didn't burn, so that makes me think that the banana was actually burning my skin. And immediately after I washed it, my face was really red. The redness is definitely kind of going down now, but my skin does feel very tight and a little bit irritated. Now, rinsing it off was a little bit gross as well. There was banana chunks sliding all down my neck. There was banana chunks in my hair. There was just banana chunks everywhere. But I did love washing off the honey because as you massage it around the skin, it really comforts the skin. It really soothes the skin, but it just didn't do enough to soothe the stinging from the banana. Now, my skin definitely does feel smooth and well hydrated. It feels a little bit sticky, a little bit tacky, but pretty moisturized. Now, it's hard to tell after one use about the brightening, lightening, and whitening benefits of this face mask. Overall, guys, I don't think I'll be doing the DIY banana face mask again, aside from the fact that it just burned and stung my entire face. Squishing up the banana was kind of gross, and then having all those gross, slimy banana pieces just like slipping all down my neck and getting caught in my hair, just not for me. I'm so curious to know if you guys would squish up a banana and put it on your face either. Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, guys, that is a wrap on my DIY banana face mask for brightening, whitening, and lightening the skin. If you have any favorite homemade face masks, let me know in the comments down below, or any favorite homemade skincare. Definitely let me know because I'm dying to try out new things. If you haven't already, make sure you check out all of the videos in this entire playlist. I love sitting down and chatting with you about today's beauty and skincare products from all over the world. If you need more of me in between now and next video, you know exactly where to find me, and that's on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. Until the next video, guys, which is tomorrow, I'll see you then. Bye!